everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today we are doing this pastel blue with a turquoise eyeliner. It's a tropical kind of look. I know it's not summertime, but you're gonna get it now, girl. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to go in with to prime my eyes is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. And I've been loving this palette. I probably will be setting it aside for a little while because I got some new JOA products that just came in. But anyways, this is the Milani Gilded Pastel Palette. And today I'm going to be playing with the, what's it called? Cuffing Season. It's the mint blue shimmer in it. And then I'm going to do my, like a little wing eyeliner. And I'm going to later on put it on my bottom lash line and then top it with that eyeshadow. But it is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Eyeliner. And this is in the color Tropical. And then I'm going to use my trusty and goody duo with the LA Colors Diva Lashes, and the strip lash adhesive is going to be the Ardell Duo one. It's the Quick Set strip lash adhesive. And then the mascara I am using before I put my false lashes on is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It's the one with the green writing on it. And for concealer, I'm using the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and this is in the color Fair Porcelain. And the duo of foundation I am using is not my favorite, I found out after playing with it in this look, so I will not be doing it again. But I'm using my Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation in the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation. The reason why I didn't like these two together because it just looked too cakey, which I didn't really understand because the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk is more of a light coverage foundation, maybe medium, and then the Revolution is kind of thicker. But I just thought it would be a perfect match because I was trying to mix the colors together because the Makeup Revolution one was too dark and the CoverGirl Clean Fresh one was too light. But I won't be pairing those two together anymore. But on their own, they work great separately if you get your right color. Anyways. Oh yeah, and before that, I am putting on the Essence Prime Studio Glow Boosting Plus Pore Minimizing Primer with Pink Clay. I almost forgot to mention that. And to give some color and life to my face, I'm using the Smashbox the Cali Contour Palette. And I'm using this Shimmer Bronze Highlight. Just, put some color on my face. And for the powder that I used for this look, it is the Cody Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Honey Beige. To set the face with, I use the LA Girl Setting Spray Fix and Set Makeup for extended wear. And then I used for the first time this Kokie Velvet Smooth Lip Liner in the color Mauve Nude. You see me here, I was like really surprised that I haven't used it before and I guess it dried up in the tube or something, or it's not even a tube, it's a wooden stick. So I had to sharpen it before I used it, but it still worked really good and I like it. It was a really good color especially. And then I topped it with this LA Girl Glazed lip paint, super intense color, extra glossy finish. You only need a little bit and this goes a long way, and it's almost like my skin color, to be honest, but it gave it glossy looks because I liked it the way it was with just the lip liner. But both of these together made this beautiful lip combo. that you see here. Alright, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye.